The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch, and here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a center line with 200 millimeters of length and create this two line here. This line with 20 millimeters, and this line here will be the radius of 120 millimeters, so it will be 60 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to start the sketch and select the front plane. Select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 200 millimeters. And create a line here with 60 millimeters. And a line here with 20 millimeters. And now we will create this line here and this one. The angle between this line here and this one is 45 degrees. And this line here has 100 millimeters of length. And here it is the same of the other side. So let's create this. Select the line again, click here at this point, make a line here. I will put the dimensions later here. And go to constraints and select equal. Select this line and this line here and this one, and this line here and this one. And now go to dimension. The angle between these two lines here is 45 degrees. And this line here has 100 millimeters of length. We made this one. So finish the sketch and go to Revolve. And the axis, select this line here. The angle is 360 degrees and press OK. We made this one. And now we will make this cut. This cut is through all this body. It is a square with 25 millimeters. And the center of this square is in the center of this body. And the distance between the center and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch. And here we will select the front plane, XY plane. And here, press F7 in the keyboard. And now, select the center rectangle, 2-point center rectangle, and make a rectangle here with 25 millimeters by 25. And go to dimension. The distance between the center of this square and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. And make sure that it is horizontal with the midpoint. So go to constraint, select horizontal, select this point and the midpoint. In this case, we use the vertical, okay? And here, finish the sketch and go to Extrude. And the output, select cut. The direction here, select symmetric. And the distance will be through all. And press OK. We made this cut here. And now we'll make a cut through all this body. So this cut is here. And it is a circle with 20 millimeters of diameter. So go to sketch and select the top face. Select the circle. Click here in the center. Make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. And the distance here, select it through all, operation cut, and flip the direction. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.